The next is a Young Alumni Achievement Award. This award honors alumni within 15 years of graduating from Minnetonka High School for distinguished post-secondary academic achievement, professional achievement, distinguished leadership, and/or distinguished service toward the greater good. This year we have 2 honorees. Congratulations to our first Young Alumni Achievement Award, Alana Aamodt from the class of 2014. Alana founded Momentix Toys to provide children with diverse learning experiences through hands-on play. Her unique toys allowed kids to practice STEM skills by creating their own Rube Goldberg machines. Introducing Alana is her classmate, Elisa Hoffmeister.
Hi, my name is Elisa Hoffmeister. It is my pleasure to introduce my friend and 2014 grad, Alana Aamodt, for the Young Alumni Award. Alana graduated MHS in 2014, and then she went on to study physics at Colorado College. It's while she was in college that she had an idea for a toy company that would inspire young people to really engage with the scientific method and the entire design process. After Colorado College, she officially launched Momentix, which is that toy company. It provides people with the components and ideas to build their own Rube Goldberg machines. Now, Alana has won multiple business pitch competitions for her work. She has now status post a successful Kickstarter campaign. I am one of the proud owners of a Momentix kit, and you can even find them at stores near you. Alana is now moving to Providence. She will be starting her master's in industrial engineering at RISD. We are so proud of Alana. She really deserves the Young Alumni Award, and we can't wait to see what she will do next.
Alana is regrettably unable to be here today, but she wanted to share how honored she was to receive this award through this video.
Hi, my name's Alana, and I just wanted to say thank you for giving me this Young Alumni Award. I started Momentix Toys about 5 years ago, reflecting on my time as a kid, as a young 5th grader in Mrs. Kit and Mrs. Moan's 5th grade class at Excelsior Elementary, where I was first introduced to Rube Goldberg machines. They would later come up again in my 12th grade physics class at Minnetonka High School. And I would go on to study physics in college and think about those different science classes that really first inspired me to get hands-on. So I want to say thank you to my teachers that I had throughout my 13 years at Minnetonka, and thank you to my parents who never judged what I was doing with my life after graduating and starting a toy company, and were always fully 100% supportive. I wish I could be there today, but I'm still in school. I'm studying design in Rhode Island, so thank you again for everybody who's here to celebrate today, and I wish I was there.
Please welcome Alana's parents, Jackie and Greg Aamodt, to the stage. Who will be accepting the award on her behalf.
So on behalf of my daughter Alana and the whole Aamodt family, we thank everyone so much for this wonderful, distinguished award. Now you get the shameless dad plug for MomentixToys.com. Because as you might have seen, Alana still oversees that, but she's moved on to the Rhode Island School of Design, and last time I checked, we've got a few of the kits left, so they're out there, so please don't hesitate. They're even up at the general store. But again, thank you all so very much. It's just wonderful being back here. I haven't been in the school a few years, and really, it goes without saying that Jackie and I were just talking earlier when we got here about how we literally communicate still with her very first teacher at ECFE. That's how deep this runs, and the inspiration and the nurturing and the support of all the teachers. I could name them all, whether they were her favorite, her most challenging, whatever might be the case. Don't ever take that for granted, because it makes such a difference in young people's lives. I don't even know. I don't even know what else to say on that, but thank you again, and we appreciate this very much.